water. Okay, let me do this. So, just keep on trying. Keep on trying. Keep on trying. Okay, is it working? It's going into our little pond we made. We had fun making our little pond out of rocks, and we had fun doing this experiment. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for watching. We had fun. Sorry about all the talking to get it set up, but thank you for watching.